How do you keep your team engaged, productive, and loyal? In this video, we'll explain what team appreciation is, how to use it to inspire employees and attract new talent, how to customize our template to create a retention strategy, and if you watch until the end, you'll learn how Disney uses team appreciation strategies to get its cast members to go the extra mile for guests. Google's former vice president of people operations, Laszlo Bock, says public recognition is one of the most effective and underutilized management tools. For example, studies reveal that nearly 70% of employees say they would work harder if they felt their efforts were better appreciated. And employees who do not feel recognized for their work are twice as likely to say they'll quit within a year. That's not something you can ignore. The cost of employee turnover is on average $15,000 per employee. The data clearly shows the best managers promote an environment of recognition to develop a healthy workplace culture that breeds innovation and new ideas. In fact, personal feedback from a manager or CEO is shown to have longest lasting impact on employees. It's recommended to give feedback at least once every 7 days so that employees know their work is valued. That twice-a-year work pizza in the break room just isn't gonna cut it anymore. Work pizza does hit different though. Since there are many types of employee recognition, it's important to find the right method that fits your workplace. We've created a customizable template that has all different types of tools to recognize your employees, such as team bios, team member spotlights, team achievements, top performers, and employee of the month. Here's a breakdown of how these tools can be used to reduce turnover and turn your employees into a competitive advantage. Compelling and visually pleasing team bios ensure more reliability and talent visibility. Slides such as this one allow you to show off your crew's personality and achievements in the best light. Studies show that when employees believe in themselves, they are more encouraged to think creatively and generate innovative ideas. We also know that positive reinforcement is one of the most validated principles in management and psychology. So use these slides to insert pictures of your team members with a few sincere and powerful words of recognition. To learn how Disney does this, stick to the end and see how they turned team appreciation into a loyal and passionate workforce. Team member spotlights showcase not only the best employees, but also your company culture. On these slides, you can insert a short bio for the member you wish to highlight and their areas of expertise. Additionally, spotlights can be shared on social media or your company website to showcase your company culture and educate prospects about growth opportunities. Also, appreciation is contagious, and studies show that when employees simply witness acts of gratitude, it motivates them and makes them feel good, even if they aren't the ones who receive the feedback. It's true. Martin Hawkins always got the spotlight every week, but it still felt good. I felt really good for him, for real. Didn't bother me one bit that I never got the spotlight. I was just really happy for Martin. He worked really hard. Beyond recognition of individual success, it's just as important to recognize team achievements and raise a glass to last month's successful efforts. On these slides, list the important milestones your team has reached. These can be short-term milestones, such as hitting a monthly revenue goal or winning an industry award. Mutual respect and common goals within a team creates stronger relationships between team members. Studies show that highly engaged teams show 21% greater profitability for their company. Everyone likes a success story as they can help motivate and inspire other team members. Link a reward to the employee and his or her accomplishment. Know your employees, their interests, and what they are passionate about. For example, if an employee likes to read, a book by his or her favorite author could go a long way to make them feel recognized. Companies that rethink their rewards programs to make them more personalized have seen impressive results. For example, if you've ever been to a Disney theme park or resort, you know that it's the cast members who make the biggest impression and help live up to that magical place on Earth label. They often have to work in hot, humid conditions and deal with some less than patient guests. So how does Disney keep employee performance at a high level? Lee Cockrell once ran operations at Disney World, and he's quoted as saying, "High employee performance comes from recognition, encouragement, and appreciation." Disney has multiple recognition programs in place. The Walt Disney Legacy Award is a prestigious honor that cast members can nominate other cast members for. Winners have blue name tags which act as a reminder of their success. Disney also created a hashtag on social media that guests can use to recognize their favorite cast members. Lee Cockrell would then send personalized notes and rewards to those cast members who received mentions from guests. Recognition happens after a job well done, but encouragement is what leads to that success. Cockrell made sure to remind cast members at all levels how important they were to Disney's success and the guest experience. These consistent reminders repeatedly led to positive outcomes. Appreciation is another ongoing practice that will boost morale. Cockrell's philosophy as the manager of operations was that everyone mattered and should be reminded that they mattered. Comments of appreciation, when done with authenticity and personalization, make all the difference in Disney's success. Remember, you can download our team appreciation template for all these tools and more slides on team rewards, appreciation, celebrations, team overview, plus many more to save time and hours of work. Thanks for watching.